way save someone's life. Tama ba yun? Let's all try to be kind to each other. Kahit na sobrang fuck up na ng mundo. Diba? Hindi ko sinasabi magdasal kayo. But, hindi ko sinasabi mag-religious kayo. But at least, try to be kind to each other. Do not harm no one. Tama ba yun? Yes! May isa na tayo mga buhay sa mundong ito. Gawin natin yun. So yeah, this song is called Freeman. Maganda kami sa inyo lahat for the band called Freeman.
One